Hi, I'm Darren Snell. I'm Head of Science at BSL. We've just had a fantastic session with all students from primary up to year 12 taking part. They've been learning, they've been collaborating, they've been developing their ideas, and they've found out a lot more about technology, how it's being used.
It was a very good experience, like for our students and for myself as a teacher here. And it is the very first time such an event was held here, and I think that our students liked what was done by your team. Your team can come back here and have a similar workshop with us, so that they can have more fun, because they said they had a lot of fun, and we hope to see you guys again.
Yeah, good evening. This was a wonderful experience to be here. I am parent of one of my children learning here. I'm very much happy that something new has been introduced to them, which is actually a Generation Y type of thing. And I'm really thankful that they are on time for this. And in times to come, I am very sure that such type of activities will be there more in the school, and children will be taking all the advantage of it. Thank you so much.
So I want to say thank you so much for organizing this event. It was really, really good, and we were able to work with other people, and yeah, thank you so much. So this is our unfinished piece. We tried our best to do it, and we're still going to. Our helper helped us a lot to do it because we messed up in between many times. So he helped us to redo it, and we achieved so far.
I'd say the experience working with my classmates is very rejuvenating. It's fun, and I like that I try something new, and I think people should appreciate people who work in the technological space, because it's not that easy. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say, and I'm pretty proud of what our group achieved. Thank you.
So today the activity, it was very fun for the children. I saw that it can help the children not to be distracted, but to open them to the new world. So what I would like, if there is a group, your group here in Togo, they can introduce this among the activities which they are running in the British school after school.